This is just a quick video. I'm going to run through the agent builder. I did cover it in another video the other day, but because we've just deployed the code, and you should have it now, just a couple of hints and tips in case you get stuck. So when you've deployed it in Render, click on the link that it gives you and it's going to launch the website that's built into the back of the server. Have a look around the help documentation if you get stuck. Pretty much everything you need is in there. We're going to go to Create Agent. When you get to this screen here, you don't need to put a username in. The password is the admin password that you set in your environment variables and your server. Sign in. As long as you set all the correct environment variables when you deployed your server, everything's going to work. So if things don't work, the most likely problem is that some of the settings that you put in the environment variables when you deployed it are incorrect. When you click on Begin Setup, this is going to connect to your Calendly account and it is going to pick up the event types that you set up in Calendly. So if you haven't done it by this stage, you need to go to your Calendly account, set up some event types like a half-hour meeting, 15-minute meeting, 30-minute meeting, call it whatever you want. You can choose any duration that you want, and you can have more than 2 if you want to, but 2 works really well with this agent. So create a couple of event types. They will then appear here. Choose both of them if you want your voice agent to be able to book both of them. Click Next. This is where you can set the agent name as it's going to appear in your 11 Labs account and the agent's greeting, what it says to you when it first answers the phone. Now this is vital in here. Go back to Render, copy the URL which is in the back end of Render, paste it into your server URL box here. Then click Create Agent. Create Agent now. That's it. If you go to your 11 Labs account, you will have an agent that's fully configured with all the tool functions that it needs to connect to your Calendly account. One more step. Click on Customize System Prompt. This is the system prompt that is in GitHub. This is in the file in your GitHub account. When you scroll down here, you'll see that it has put your event types from your Calendly into the system prompt. Click on Save Changes. Now what that's doing is it's updating GitHub. You need to do one more thing to make that system prompt live. You need to come back to Render, this button here where it says Manual Deploy, click on Deploy Latest Commit. You'll see here it'll say Update System Prompt. Mine isn't because my system prompt builder is connected to a different GitHub account. But when that's been redeployed, that's it. It's all done, fully configured. Now there's one more step, and that's to do with improving the security of the voice agent. I'm going to cover that in another video because it's just too much for one TikTok.